Welcome back to Before 5. I'm your host, Shara, and today we're going to be making the perfect margarita made with ginger beer. Wow! Have you ever had the perfect margarita before? If so, leave that down in the comments. I've actually had it before, but from different restaurants and different bars that I went to. I just found this recipe and I said, you know what? Let's try this. So let's get right down into the ingredients. We're going to be using lime juice and then some simple syrup. Mine is from Finest Call. Ginger beer. This is from Powell and Mahoney. And of course, tequila. This is Blue Agave Tequila and it is by Jose Cuervo. And I've actually, I don't know if you can see it from there, but I've already rimmed the glass with pink Himalayan salt and I use lime as my base. Alright, we are going to get right down into it. I got my mixing glass here. So we are going to mix 1.5 ounces of tequila. So we're going to pour that in first. So that is 1 ounce here. I'll just do another half. Then also we're going to be using 1 ounce of the lime juice. I just opened it. So we're going to be doing a whole ounce of that. The next ingredient we are going to be using, of course, is the ginger beer. And we're going to be using 3 ounces of that. So here is 1. And this is the reason why we are definitely going to stir this drink instead of shaking it, because we don't want to lose the carbonation of ginger beer, and plus we don't want to make that martini shaker pop in our faces because of all the carbonation. Then we're going to use a half an ounce of the simple syrup. So I'm just going to pour out half. So now we are going to stir. I'm going to take my stirrer. Just stir it up. And, ooh, I definitely see what they mean by the carbonation here. Alright, so now I have my glass filled with ice. And I am still going to use a strainer. You don't have to. I'm not even going to do it. So I'm just going to pour this over and do a taste test with you all. Whew, that is actually the perfect amount for this glass. And then garnish it with some lime. And you know me, I gotta be a little bit extra. So I'm going to do a lemon also, and one of my favorites, a dehydrated pineapple wheel. So that looks good already. The perfect margarita. And this is my first time actually rimming. So to rim it with pink Himalayan salt, oh my god, I'm super excited about that. I'm going to use my Helm glass straw and taste it. And this margarita is definitely perfect. I didn't even know you could make margarita with ginger beer. If you have ever made a margarita with ginger beer, let me know that down in the comments, because this right here, my friends, is delicious. Thanks again for watching Before 5. Make sure you like, comment, and share this show, and we will see you next time.